Hey, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to this magical magnet meditation to develop such a strong super focus that it's magnetic and automatically snaps back into place. It's gonna blow your mind how strong you can get your focus and attention in a short amount of time if you really commit to this. So start by sitting upright in a chair with good back support, in a relaxed, alert, awake position, with your eyes rested on a spot directly down the center of your line of vision, a specific spot or dot that your eyes can lock in on, and your fingers interlocked comfortably in a relaxed way in your lap. Take a slow, powerful breath in through your nose, fill up your diaphragm and your whole body, and exhale slowly on the way out. 2 more like that to get a nice energy flow going. Breathe deep in through the nose, fill up the whole body, and stay present with the flow as you exhale out through the mouth now. Keep your attention aligned to your breath as you breathe in for one final super deep, powerful breath. And exhale slowly, effortlessly. Let the breath trickle out through the mouth. And now commit to the physical position you've chosen with consistency. Remember to let your chest and stomach rise and fall with your breath naturally and to blink consistently, but otherwise, commit to stillness now and keep your eyes consistently on the spot you've chosen straight down the center of your line of vision. Start by bringing your attention now to your hands and fingers. Feel the buzzing sensation in the hands and fingers. Notice the subtle tingling of energy. And the quiet sensation of blood pumping in the hands and fingers. Start to hone in on the minutiae, the little details of sensations and tingling in the hands and fingers. And keep the attention flexed on the hands and fingers. Let everything else be in the background, but keep the front and center spotlight on the hands and fingers now. Notice how even if thoughts or distractions start to pull you away, you can choose to keep your attention flexed on the hands and fingers, calmly challenging yourself to do that moment to moment. Notice how the sensations in the hands and fingers are getting stronger, more vivid, more clear and detailed the longer you stay committed to them. Don't try to be perfect, just highly consistent. And now imagine as though the magnetism of your thoughts and distractions are losing energy, and your hands and fingers are gaining energy, as if they were becoming a magnet for your attention. Allow the hands and fingers to pull your attention and help you stay focused on them. Don't think, just notice, feel, stay locked in. And now, while you maintain some attention on the hands and fingers, start to also be aware of the spot that your eyes are rested on. Notice the details of the spot. Notice the light and shadows around the spot without looking at them. Just use your peripheral vision. Remember to blink, but keep your eyes locked in on that spot consistently while you balance your attention between that spot and your hands. Stay calm and relaxed, but raise your mental intensity to be aware of the details of the spot and the details of the hands, moment to moment to moment. Remembering to blink as you start to imagine as though that spot has a magnetic pull on your visual attention, and feeling your hands with a magnetic pull on your sensory attention. Feeling those dual magnets of attention gaining energy, gaining a magnetic quality as they guide you deeper into the present moment, and meeting them halfway with your intense, dedicated attention. And now once again, find another gear now that your attention is warmed up. Stay calm and relaxed, but raise the mental intensity to another level so that you can drop thoughts and distractions the instant they come up and stay magnetically locked in on the hands and the spot, feeling that balance, riding that wave, moment to moment. Remember to blink, but don't let anything pull you out of that. Allow yourself to be completely absorbed and immersed in the singular rhythm of hands and the spot in front of you, going deeper than you even thought possible. And now let go of your attention from the magnets of your hand and the spot in front of you. Intentionally relax your attention as you close your eyes and allow all the energy to diffuse and chill out in an even, effortless manner through space. Let go of all effort. Intentionally allow yourself to let go. Relax and just float for a moment. Great job, that was a heck of a mental workout and you crushed it. Before you wrap up, take a moment to visualize yourself carrying this magnetic attention into the next activity you do. That state of magnetic absorbed attention. See and feel the enjoyment and flow of that. And if you feel called to do so now, go ahead and translate that attention that you've cultivated into something creative, physical, productive, or any combination thereof, and have a great time doing it. When you feel ready, open your eyes and move at your own pace, allowing yourself to get back into a rhythm, one moment at a time. Thanks for taking this time for yourself today. Keep practicing and building these muscles, and have an amazing day.